Hi, I will show you 3 ways to make folders in Windows 11. The first one is the shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift and N at the same time and the folder is created. I'm naming this as 1. Okay, this is a shortcut. The second one is go to the top left corner of the window and click folder. Okay, it's there. Now naming this as 2. Done. The third one is right click and go to new and folder. Done. But I like the first one, which is created by the shortcut Ctrl, Shift and N at the same time. Okay, and by this way you can easily create folders on Windows 11 and use. Hope you like the video and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.